So where do you see this market now?
Yeah, like it's a really difficult one in the short term. And when I say short term, I mean like the next 3 months, because we've got a lot of turbulence in the macro world, from like Trump tariffs all the way through to like inflation / interest rates in the US, which obviously closely align with each other, to conflicts around the world, like the Israel Hamas like conflict has rekindled this week. We've got, which is not necessarily a negative in this next term that I'm going to make, there are the peace talks between Russia and Ukraine. Like all these things are like, the way that I'd say is like they're not bubbling, and like some might pop off and some might not. So in the short term, there's definitely some turbulence. I'm not saying that's going to be negative either, because crypto specifically is forward looking. We've seen like a drop in the DXY. Normally the DXY leads crypto by about 10 weeks.
Just explain what that is.
Either way. So DXY is like it's like a basket of currencies measured against the dollar to show what dollar strength is. And normally if the dollar strength weakens, there is an inverse correlation to crypto. Meaning, so if the dollar becomes weaker, crypto becomes stronger. But it's normally about an 8 to 10 week lag. And that puts us to about the 7th of April. We wrote about this in my newsletter this week, last Saturday, that it was published. I said, look, if we go by the book and you want it to be 9 weeks, it's April the 7th. So by April the 7th, we might see the forward-looking liquidity provision start to hit crypto. And if that is the case, then crypto might perform well. We might have seen the bottom. However, if it's not, we could still come back. And that's why the macro is like interesting for crypto.